Why are the contacts that are added to your phone not showing up on WhatsApp? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if the contacts added to your phone are not showing up on WhatsApp. There are basically two reasons and I will just show you how you can fix that. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So, if the contacts that are added to your phone are not showing up on WhatsApp, the very first reason could be because that person or that particular profile does not have WhatsApp enabled. So which means that they have not logged into their account, or they are simply have not signed up or ever created a WhatsApp account even if they've added them to contacts. In order to verify that, you can simply tap on this little chat icon over here and you'll see all these types of various options. Now you can see the people who are actually available on WhatsApp, and they are basically on the contact list as well as on WhatsApp. But people who are not on WhatsApp, you'll basically see the invite button next to their name. So as you can see, the invite button next to people who don't have WhatsApp installed or who have not signed up to WhatsApp with the new number, you could just go ahead and tap on the invite button next to it. And when you tap on the invite button, you have to simply ask them to install WhatsApp and go ahead and then simply do it on your phone. That is basically the first way to do that. The second reason could be because you might have actually accidentally blocked one of the contacts. In order to actually find out that, just tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then you'll find the option called settings. As you go to settings, over here you'll see all sorts of options. Go to accounts. Once you go to accounts, go to the option called privacy, and at the bottom you can see blocked contacts. Just select block contacts and you can see the contacts that I've actually blocked. So just tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will ask you to unblock it. Just go ahead and tap on the unblock button. Once you tap on the unblock button, that could be the other reason why the contact was added up on your phone's contacts, but you've blocked them on WhatsApp, and it could be why it's not showing up on WhatsApp. And hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.